Good morning guys. Qatar to Doha. Now landing for the Croatia. Ready for the landing at 6:25 p.m. Welcome to the Croatia. Maligaya paglalakbay. Thank you God. Thanks God. Thanks God for the nicely landing. Croatia. Thank you. Shout out sa mga kasama namin sa Doha, Qatar, lalo na sa mga karumit namin. Welcome to the YouTube channel Chris J. Brother. Shout out to Albert Petesa. Shout out to Elmer Rico and Joel Ray. To the TikTok live, always watching. Thank you very much for
Welcome to
watching.
Zagreb. The local time here is 6:23 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening over storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area.